it's me, Pan. Today, I will tell you a story called The Dog with No Friends. Are you ready, kids? Do you want me to tell the story? Great! Let's start. Once upon a time, there was a dog named Mike. He had no friends around. One day, Mike the dog had an idea. I have an idea. Maybe I should be like the other animals so they can be friends with me. Suddenly, he heard a "Ow!" He turned around. He didn't see anyone. He went to the cat and saw a cat. The dog said, I want to be just like the cat. But cats have up ears and I have down ears. I shall change my form, said Mike. He put his ears up and he looks like a cat. He went to the cat and said, now I look like you. I will be your friend. The cat turned around and said, who are you? Why do you want to be my friend? I am Mike. And now I'm a cat, like you. The cat had a fish. Mike said, what are you eating, cat? The cat said, I am eating fish. Do you want to eat the fish if you're possibly a cat? We cats like to eat fish. I'll get a piece of fish for you. She got another fish and gave it to Mike. Mike smelled the fish. Ugh, it tastes disgusting, said he thought. But I just want to be like a cat, like her. So I'll pretend that it's delicious. Mike took a bite. I will take a bite in 3, 2, 1. Ugh! Mike was gross. So stinky. The cat said, wait a minute. I thought you were a cat. Show your real form. If you don't show it, I won't be your friend. He showed his true form and the cat said, you are not a cat. You are a dog. No, I will not be your friend, said the cat. And off she scurried. He was so sad. He saw a bird in the nest. When the bird flew, another bird was there. And when the second bird flew, an egg. The dog wanted to be just like the birds. So he hid his ears. Now I am like you two. Can you be my friend? The bird said, who are you? Why do you want to be our best friend? Mike said, I'm a bird and I want to fly in the sky. The bird said, are you sure? Then Mike said, yes, I am sure. I'm a bird and I know how to fly. The bird said, birds eat worms. We collect food. The second bird said, also birds know how to fly. Watch me. I can fly too, said Mike. But when Mike tried to flap his arms, he couldn't fly, just fall. Ah, that hurts, said Mike. The two birds said, You are not a bird. You are a dog. And so Mike the dog went on and on until he heard a behind the tree. It was a growl. Pop! Out came a bear. The dog thought, I want to be just like the bear. And he raised his ears up. And now he looked like a bear. The dog went to the bear and said, now I look like you. I want to be your friend. Then the bear said, who are you? Why do you want to be my friend? Mike the dog said, I'm a bear, and my name is Mike. The bear said, well, bears eat prey. Mike the dog was scared that he was going to be eaten. The bear explained, for example, I would like to eat a buffalo for a treat, and I eat rabbits. I would kill them. But Mike the dog was afraid. He ran away and put down his dog ears. But the bear followed him and said, wait a minute. Mike came back. You are not a bear, but you were a dog. So the bear hid back where he went. No one wants to be my best friend, said the dog, Mike. Suddenly, a frog appeared. The frog said, Rabbit, Mike, why are you crying? And then Mike said, nobody wants to be my best friend. Then the frog said, 'cause you're not being your usual self. Be yourself, Mike. Then Mike said, oh, okay, I realized. The frog said, now you have realized your lesson. We can be best friends. Even the cat, the birds, and the bear you met. From now on, everyone be his best friend.